The Norris High School was given Chromebooks for the 2017-18 school year. In the past years of my education here at Norris High School, we were not given Chromebooks except if we had a teacher with a Chromebook cart. We borrowed it just for that class, but we had to make sure we returned it for that next class period. The Chromebook carts were handy, but sometimes they were needed by multiple teachers at once, giving a big disadvantage to all the students. Using it is easier than paper. It's easier to focus for students and easier for teachers because they don't have to print everything. It's also easier for the subs. For me, it's easier to have Chromebooks so I can comprehend better, and if I don't know something, I can just look it up and then I won't get behind. Google Classroom is very helpful, and it's an easy website to make sure we have our homework done. It's easier for students like me to get my homework done now that we have Chromebooks. We can access Google Classroom anywhere. Sometimes teachers would forget to plug the Chromebook carts in, which would affect the whole class. Since we didn't have Chromebook chargers, but having our own comes with a big responsibility by making sure it's charged. If it's not charged, making sure you can somehow access a charger. Since Norris has switched to Chromebooks, kids do not have to worry about getting assignments done late or not having access to a device. It's also free for personal use, so we can bring it home and get assignments done on time. It was a great decision to switch to Chromebooks, and I think it will advance our school district.